I found this free website that will allow you to overlay a call to action and affiliate link on any website in the world. Whether that be YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you can utilize these websites that are getting billions of visitors every single month to promote your affiliate link. Using this exact strategy, I've been able to generate hundreds of dollars every single week using Facebook groups and promoting this hidden link with my affiliate link as a call to action. It's something that is actually super smart and it's super effective in terms of getting sales online. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly where you can find this tool, how you can take any website in the world, whether it's some of the most famous websites, and overlay your own call to action with your affiliate link that is going to pay you your affiliate commissions over this website. This is exactly the first step that you need to do. Just a quick announcement before we get started with today's video. I'm super excited to share something with you guys that I've been working on for the last couple of months. I've been developing what you call the 6-figure tuber and content creator program, which is an entire personal mentorship with me that will teach you how to speak clearly and confidently and fluently on camera, a full English literature course for those that aren't very fluent or clear with their English, how you can practice in front of a camera and master becoming confident on camera, and how you can create AI scripts for your videos, creating and branding your YouTube channel for success, and also your other short video platforms, choosing the highest paying niches, tools that you can use to brand your channel, analytical tools needed for YouTube, setting up your short video platforms being TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels for short video success, and will complement and go hand in hand with your long form content on YouTube. And a trick that I use to brand all of my channels across all platforms. Setting up your monetization techniques for your channel and short video platforms, finding high converting affiliate products and offers, or how you can create your own digital product and sell that yourself, and tips to increase your sales through your content creation business. I'm going to cover with you content quality and gear, my screen recording and audio recording software that is also completely free, my gear recommendation, my PC recommendations, my review on the best phone and the best pro camera that you can use for your content, camera lens and focus settings, the lighting setup, what you need to have in the background of your videos, best budget and pro microphones, all the way from a $10 collar microphone to a $1,000 studio microphone, a full 0 to pro content editor tutorial and course, a Photoshop course on how you can master thumbnails, and giving you a full review of my YouTube setup, funnel building, the tools you need to create your funnels, a full funnel creation tutorial, email campaigns, done for you email swipes. I've already created a done for you funnel campaign, membership area, upsells, downsells, checkouts, growing your YouTube and short video platforms, the types of videos to post, replicating successful videos, titles, tags, and description optimization, creating good thumbnails, and I'm also going to give you over $400 worth of created thumbnail templates for you, how to find videos that will go viral, my updated viral strategy that I use to help my videos go viral, 2 elements that make a video go viral, how to get subscribers quickly and early, monetizing your videos with ads, the related method, we'll cover that in that program, create the perfect short videos that goes hand in hand with your YouTube content, my Instagram automation and call to action strategy, understanding the algorithm and using it to your advantage, creating faceless videos, growing your channel with YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook ads. This is an entire program that I've been developing for the past month that I'm going to introduce to you guys that will take you from zero, knowing nothing about online business and content creation, to having your own fully fledged, successful online content creation business. This is a program that is going to cost you less than $100. This will be released on my YouTube channel within the next 2 weeks. So if you guys are excited for this and you want to get into this program early, make sure to send me a DM on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will leave a link to my Instagram in the description, and I will make sure that you guys get in for a fraction of the price. Without further ado, let's continue with today's video. Before we get started with actually creating our call to action and overlay on the website, we need an affiliate offer that we can include in our call to action that will actually pay us an affiliate commission every time we get a sale. My number one platform to go and find affiliate products if you're not sure where to start, really great for beginners, is called Kartra.com. Come over to software categories on the top left-hand side. You can click on browse all categories, and over here you just need to confirm this captcha, so just press and hold this button. It will give you an A to Z order database on various software all over the world on the internet that you can promote as an affiliate. From absence management to access governance, account-based marketing, accounting software, advertising agency software, advocacy software, aerospace manufacturing software, anything that you can think of. Click on one of these categories and you will see over here, it will then give you softwares in this particular category. So for example, Kartra.ai is an example. And what you can go and do is then just come over to Google and go and search Kartra.ai affiliate program. And you'll see over here, Kartra.ai affiliates, and you can sign up to be an affiliate for this particular software, which is going to pay you 40% on all referrals, recurring income. So that's a really good example of an affiliate program. One of my favorite categories to use this particular strategy in, and where I've seen the most success, is funnel building software. Specifically with Builderall.com, I've generated over $14,000 through the affiliate program. Most recently, I've made just under $750 Brazilian reals, which converts to about $300 with the affiliate program this week. And this is essentially what I'll do. I'll come over to Google and go and search the Builderall affiliate program. Click on enter and you can go and click on the Builderall affiliates link on the top of Google. Click on become an affiliate for free and you will get an affiliate link to the Builderall software. Once you've signed up as an affiliate, you're going to get your unique Builderall affiliate link where every time someone clicks on that link and signs up for a package, you're going to earn 100% commission of your first month and then 30% every month thereafter from your referral. So that's what's really epic about the Builderall affiliate program, especially that they pay recurring income and 100% commission on your first month. And you'll see over here, if I click on the plans of Builderall.com, they offer your leads a 14-day free trial. Once you've signed up to become an affiliate for Builderall.com, you can copy your unique affiliate link on the associates option under your dashboard. You can then come over to this website called replug.io. Now, this is the URL tool where we can go and overlay our affiliate link on any website in the world. Again, you can click on start your free trial. Once you've done that and signed up for your free trial, it's going to take you to your dashboard that looks something like this. Let me quickly come back here where you've got your dashboard. You can manage your brands, your campaigns, and your replug links. The first step that you need to do is once signed into your replug.io dashboard is click on manage. Click on brands on the top left hand side and create a new brand. We can click on edit and then for your enter your URL or social media dashboard, we can just go and paste our Builderall link, or I'm just going to use my YouTube link. It really doesn't matter. Once that's done, click on campaigns under the manage section over here. Click on edit or create a new campaign if you haven't created one already. Select your brand and then under the campaign type, make sure you've got your campaign name that you've created. And over here, you want to make sure that you've got the widgets section selected so that we have our call to action over our website. Then you want to click on the action button over here. Make sure that you've got a link or a button. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to use a button. You want to have social classic and we can go and upload an image of our link. I'm going to upload an image of myself so that the person over here just looks more authentic. Then click on the call to action message and then we can go and type here best free alternative to ClickFunnels. Message here. Click here to get a free account instead of paying for ClickFunnels. The call to action, we can then type here, sign up here. For the link of this button is where we need to add our affiliate link. So again, come back to Builderall on your dashboard, copy your unique affiliate link, come back to replug.io and go and paste this over here. So now you can see that you've got this call to action that we're going to overlay on ClickFunnels website, attracting all of the traffic that goes to ClickFunnels to our alternative through our affiliate link. We can then click on next again, and click on update campaign. Once this is complete, then come over to replug links and we can now go and create a new link. So click on new link and over here we want to select our affiliate campaign and the URL that we want as the background of our website, we want to use ClickFunnels homepage. So copy the link of clickfunnels.com or you can type it in manually and paste this over here. And this is what it's going to now look like. So here you can see is the ClickFunnels homepage, and here is your call to action with the overlay that says the best free alternative to ClickFunnels. Click here to get a free account instead of paying for ClickFunnels. And then the sign up button here, which will take the leads to your Builderall affiliate link, where when they sign up for their free account and their trial period ends, you're going to earn your commission every single month. Click on save link, and over here you will see your shortened URL. So if I go and paste this in a new tab, this is what your landing page is going to look like. And there we go. This is exactly what it looks like. And when people click on this link, it's going to take them through to my affiliate link, where essentially we own our affiliate commissions. So now how do we get people to actually click on this? And how do we get people to sign up through our affiliate link? Well, the easiest way to go and do this is to come over to Google and go and search funnel building forums. And literally what we can go and do is we can come over to, for example, warriorforum.com. There's tons on Google over here. You can open up all of them, go and sign up, and you can recommend to people on the funnel website, hey, I just found this really good free alternative to clickfunnels.com. Here's the link. Let me know. I'm busy building my funnel with it. Try it out and let me know how it goes. And you can also come over to facebook.com. Come over to Facebook groups and go and search up for funnel building. Click on search and then click on groups. And over here, you can go and join tons of free funnel building Facebook groups. And you can go and recommend to those people in those groups, here's my #1 free alternative to clickfunnels.com to avoid paying $100 a month. You can then put your replug link and let people click on that link and respond to you. But the main point of this is you want to seem as genuine as possible. You don't want to be spammy and spam the link on all of these groups. You most likely will get kicked off these groups. You just want to be friendly, come across as if you're giving free value and coming across as an overall genuine person. This is a fantastic free strategy to start getting sales on your affiliate links. If you're going to try this out, let me know. Send me a DM on Instagram if you do get some fantastic results. But as I said, guys, make sure to stay tuned in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be releasing that epic 6-figure tuber program, which is really going to be a fantastic budget program. It's going to be less than $100, and I've put months of effort into this program. The main reason being is because I want to deliver as much as value and life-changing skills to you guys as possible. Without further ado, guys, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.